Are you tired of quick hair regrowth after a Brazilian wax? What if I told you there's a way to make that smooth skin last longer? Today, we'll explore essential steps to maintain your wax for weeks, not just days. Let's get started with pre-wax prep. First, exfoliate your skin 24 to 48 hours before your appointment. This simple step removes dead skin, allowing the wax to grip better. Also, keep your skin hydrated throughout the week. Ensure your hair is about the length of a grain of rice. This length makes waxing effective. Remember to avoid oils, tanning, sweating, and heavy lotions before your wax. These products can irritate and complicate the process. Now, let's talk about post-wax care. After your wax, your skin needs gentle care. Apply aloe vera or a soothing gel to calm any redness. For the next 24 hours, avoid perfumes, harsh soaps, and alcohol-based products. They can irritate your freshly waxed skin. Wear loose and breathable clothing to reduce friction and keep your skin comfortable. To enjoy smooth skin week after week, exfoliate 2 to 3 times weekly. Daily moisturizing is also key. Hydrated skin leads to fewer ingrown hairs and longer-lasting results. If you notice early signs of bumps or itching, treat them gently to prevent worsening. Don't forget about your lifestyle. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins. Choose breathable fabrics for workouts and avoid excessive heat or direct sun exposure on freshly waxed skin. If you experience stubborn ingrown hairs, use gentle exfoliation and hydrating oils. Keeping to a consistent waxing schedule yields the best long-term results. If you notice changes in your hair growth pattern, consult a professional. They can guide you on the best method for your skin. In summary, pre-wax prep, post-care, regular exfoliation, and hydration are crucial. Avoid irritants after waxing and maintain a healthy lifestyle. For more dermatologist-approved skincare guides, subscribe for weekly tips to keep your skin glowing.